This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is part 2 of modifying the Quick Access toolbar. The QAT can be customized from the Customize Quick Access toolbar window. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize Quick Access toolbar. The column on the left of the screen displays the commands that can be added to the QAT. The column on the right displays the commands that are currently on the QAT. Notice the commands displayed are filtered by popular commands. You can adjust the filter by selecting the caret to the right of the field. Notice you can view all commands, commands not on the ribbon, macros, or you can also view commands by the ribbon it is on. Scroll through the list of commands and double-click the desired command to move to the QAT. You can remove commands you rarely use by double-clicking on the commands in the QAT list. You can also reorganize the way commands are displayed on the QAT. To reorganize, select the command you wish to rearrange. Use the arrows to move the command to the desired location. When you have made all adjustments, click OK. Notice all the adjustments you made to the commands will display on the Quick Access toolbar. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.